What? Show us some. Yes. Wanna know the general, the 10-star one. The most electrifying one on YouTube entertainment business. What? Yes. Sure is. Watch me now. Summarize up this morning. And the great Gaza uncle, I run over Gaza uncle. And Gaza uncle, they on a quick life. Then, and the man I make me know say, right now, to the way how him see some boy I go like them want discredit blood clot, Vybz cartel greatness. You see what I say? He say 10-star, you have to do a video about this. But guess what? You don't know me already. Respect to Gaza uncle for the topic. Because you know me already, a photographic memory I have. Some don't need for do pen and paper script. You see what I say? My uncle want to know the topic. I'ma finish it. And some I got to work. So bless up Gaza uncle for the topic. Watch me now, nation people. You have some drug strap sniffers on the internet. Because people been saying alkaline wash up. You see what I say? These little drug strap sniffers don't do nothing more than a forward out and a claim say, well then, Vybz cartel water down to. I want to know what the bumper ass clot do these drug strap sniffers. I want to know which part in a Vybz cartel career him can blood clot water down. All the next 100 years him can do that. No joke shit not dead about it, no gimmicks thing not dead about it, no lollipop thing not in my game. When it forward to Vybz cartel, to dancehall music, it's like you're talking about the blood clot Marleys them in reggae music. No games thing not dead about it, you know. You don't see the way how I represent. You don't know no lollipop thing. You don't know a Gaza Mark 90 rifle and Glock thing. Watch this. So skillibeng, see? Tear down the whole of Montreal with the big bad collaboration, Bad Gyal, with him and Vybz cartel. Yo, let me tell you something. When me look in a Montreal, when Skilly done, a be a blood clot smoke and light, no gimmicks thing that they in it. And right now, you know I feel like some games thing me there on, you know go over Vybz cartel blood clot page, go watch. Whoa, you know see, Bad Gyal do to Montreal. No games thing not in it, you know, my brother. No lollipop thing not in it, you know. The way how me I represent, you know. Yo, so me I gonna show you say, well then, what them I talk about are all hypocrisy, dog. You know, look how washed up artists now they nowhere near Vybz cartel when it comes to dancehall music. Because in the first place, Vybz cartel I do how much decades now in a dancehall. I tear down the whole place. You look a washed up artist just gone a 1 decade and it come like a last in our music. No games thing not dead about it, no lollipop thing not in it. You see what I say? All you know go off for nothing but blood clot memory. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. Let me tell you something, man. I don't know if you don't see everywhere you go. You see what I say? In other world. And them I represent dancehall music to the fullest. Just look, the biggest I show them keep. Just look, we wanna see one people. Wanna see what they are, you know. Popcorn, you know. Go a wireless, you know. And when the man draft up clocks, you know, he never have to do nothing more, you know. The whole of wireless, you know, shell way, you know. Hotter than where LA, you know. And no gimmicks thing not dead about that, you know. Everybody see it, you know. You see me, all my gun done see it, you know. Uno see. Skillibeng. Turn up. A Montreal. Him and Dre. And when he run out, for doing 20 minutes. And when the man draw for bad blood clot, Gyal, the whole of Montreal in a fire. If you go over there, go over Vybz cartel page, go look. Where the Bad Gyal do to Montreal. A bass smoke and light. When I say no lollipop thing in my game, no gimmicks thing in it. The way how me I represent, you don't know a Gaza way they ain't no other way. Yeah, so when I say right about now, I don't know if you don't see the BET weekend thing, the BET weekend thing, as me tell you now. You see me? As me tell you now, where the blood clot massacre do to over there, when them draw, the dogs them have to live. I'm telling you something, my brother. Are the only song in a catalog when perform the night there. You have to pull up twice. You hear that? The lollipop thing that in my game, you know. The gimmicks thing that in it, you know. From the world boss said the dogs them have to live. I'll know the pup, I'll know the crooks them have feed rapidly. Right now, you have to approach them with caution because them armed and dangerous. And no blood clot lollipop thing that in that. Now no gimmicks thing that in that. You see what I say? You know look. The same thing where them rascal go like them want stop Spice from bring a rascal the world boss picture them. So she have to pay for them first class. She run out with controversial visit and then shit there. Have the whole place in her frenzy. Shell down the place, ramping shop and them thing there. Anyway, she stopped the performance. Tell her dancers them for bring out the Vybz Kartel blood clot picture them. When the dancers then roll out the picture them on the stage, she say ramping shop again. And let me tell you something. The whole weekend thing in a blood clot frenzy. You see what I say? You could have all hear your ears. No joke shit no there about it. Thank you. You know I'm a represent already in the nation people. Thank you. You know I really am a represent. Gaza way there, no other way, right? So, you see, Sensia, she start make it be a main thing now in her catalog. Anyway, she go over the world, she rip off the Vybz Kartel, have the whole place shamble. You see what I say? Yeah, so if you can see the biggest and the hottest set of dancehall artists there worldwide, I go around and I shell down the whole place with the world boss music. The only difference is that world boss they are prison, but the music they are road, and it show you that. You see me, the road, the music can mash up road and more. And everybody see that. No games thing that they about it. You see what I say? So the local chup artists where they might try for hype up, for bring alongside the world boss. This local artist in there, if they know when near Bumbleclad skillibeng career. You know they know when they ever want to mention popcorn, you know. They ever want to mention popcorn because disrespecting that. You see what I say? You know they know when near there so. You see what I deal with? So they are try to push him up against Massacre to get a war. My virgin here to boss say yo Massacre don't look for him because popcorn never look for him and Skilly never look for him and look where they reach. So leave the fuck alone Massacre make him John. You see what I say? No gimmicks thing in it a 10-star the general I represent. Some boy have to know how Gaza thing go. And a lollipop thing my brother. No gimmicks in it, no joke thing in it. What not talk about my brother? Or some infatuation thing I go on in on the brain and an artist now go on with no world music, world boss. You hear that? You can never stop hear world boss name call. Never. You hear that? Never know at all you're not gonna kill the biggest and show them. You can never stop hear the general name call. What am I say? Because a world music, world boss though. You hear that? World boss not the joke music, not gimmicks music. You see what I deal with? And furthermore, you see the collaboration with Blood Clot, Vybz Kartel and Popcorn, the dull color business. Yo, I'm gonna tell you something. It may not be the most successful collaboration when it comes on to certain success in our music. But are the baddest blood clot collaboration the two of them ever do. No bumbo clot joke thing that they about it. Me know, say, it may be dim because it talk about certain things. And you know, say, the thing them where it talk about, the system definitely not go like that. So, there may be I try to slope the play upon it and I try to downgrade it certain way. But let me tell you something, I get up people anthem and that's all we want bumbo clock now from. I can't take that out of get up people brain. Everything cute and Christian and nobody can bumbo clock this. The job already done already. So who no look at jackstrap sniffers and blood clot for season. We do some look at chup chup music and I go like on the artists are the best things in sliced bread. Yo, let me tell you something. When the people ever argue with you and tell you about a wash up artist, don't bumper ass clot call Vybz Kartel name and no blood clot wash up mouth, my brother. You hear that? No call Vybz Kartel in no look at dirty blood clot mouth, my brother. No wash out in the mouth on the general name, my brother. You see what I say? No gimmick stick in it. Uno not go on with nothing, uno artist nah sparks, the music nah speak for itself. How much years now the world boss in a prison, my brother? Uno no see what go on all over the bumbo clot world, my brother? Uno no see what skilly dust do to blood clot Montreal? Uno blind? Me see a big blood clot smoke and light, me see. When Bang Bang introduced the bad girl business, I want to them first season. I wonder if them know sir, I grade with smoke and we not bun beady. You don't think we easy? How much time if I tell you now and you look like so you don't believe me? Yo, this must be a joke to blood clot. You know artists now do not have bumbo clot at. And that me I make you know. And then free in their road. In music, lock up a jail and in their road. And so it look to me. Vybz Kartel, they are prison in music, then they all over the blood clot world. In the last month alone, 3 blood clot songs, over 100 million streaming. No bumper ass clot, lollipop thing in my game, you know, hear what I say? Last month. We're gone. 3 songs gone over 100 million streaming. You don't talk to me no man. Talk to me no properly. Let me hear what I say. You don't music no out there, my brother. You hear me and tell you no. You don't out there on the music lock up in a prison. Now give him thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing in it. The world boss in a prison in music take off first class and damage the world. World class, so you're in a blood clot games thing that they in it. Talk about blood clot that. You see me? Since you don't want something for talk about that in a drug shop sniffers. Eh? The people them know on the music worldwide. Eh? But that I want to know. If the people them know on the music worldwide, still is a bad blood clot, girl. Look what happened to Montreal. Eh? Look on the blood clot impact where him left Montreal with. Think on the blood clots, you know yet. When they talk about and look at chup artists. Good. After them now go out with nothing and go out like say. You can't defend yourself without call the world boss name in our mouth. Yo, you don't fit the caliber blood clot. You can't bring special to big 60 caliber machine gun. You're sick in your blood clot head. Eh? You can't see me have big 60 caliber machine gun and I come and confront me with a little blood clot special. You mince meat dog. Mince meat. You hear that? We don't need to rewind and forward again. Cause let me tell you something. We don't know go on with nothing, my brother. And a local blood clot catalog one have can't bring nowhere near blood clot Vybz Kartel. Big monster blood clot, international prestigious thing. No lollipop thing in my game. Too fucking unique. So eccentric. You see what I say? No lollipop thing over how much decades now. Still a blaze the trail. Still a set the fraction and the split. You see what I say? And some boy last. You see what I say? No joke shit. Last. About 10 years now. I go 11 years now in my business. Eh? How much? The hottest of those years, a blood clot 16, 17. The rest them a slow motion. Right as me I speak right now, it gone in a emotion. No lollipop thing that about it. So I don't know how na bumbo clock go like you can chat. I don't see all the local young youth them rise up and follow the tradition. Because I don't know if you don't see Valiant make sure them get some blood clot collaboration with the world boss. And that another lollipop thing. You see what I say? The youth them know where to go when they want them career lift up to certain standards. When they want certain listeners to listen to their music, they know where for blood clot go. Eh? Skilly. Big respect in our youth. Because I see the whole of blood clot. Montreal, you know. Shell way. Hotter than where LA. But the general, the 10-star one I represent. What? Nation people are the most electrifying one on YouTube international business. Guess what? Are the people's champion. Hey, watch this. Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. What? Oh.